Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm here at Palolem Beach in South Goa, and in today's video I'm going to be going on this beach at night, and I'm going to be showing you what's happening, the crowd, what's the scene like, what parties are going on, what shacks are open, and just showing you what the scene is like here in Palolem. So let's go and check it out, guys. Okay guys, so we are just entering the beach. This is at the end of the beach, left end of the beach. So as you can see, there's candlelight dinner here at all times, every night. They have a lot of shops here, which is cool. They have a lot of these ladies garments and stuff like that here available at the Palolem Beach. So there are lots of different shacks available from this end of the beach till the end of the beach that side. So we're just going to go through these shacks here. Let me show you what it's like and explain a little bit about these places. So the tattoo parlors here are open till about 11 o'clock in the night every day. So if you want to get a tattoo, see there's somebody getting a tattoo right now inside the shack. So there's tattoo parlors, there's shops like this, and there are different restaurants here. Now the thing with the restaurants is most of them play Hindi music, as this is the corona season here in Goa. So what happens is, because of COVID, there's only Indian tourists, so they are mostly playing Hindi music. But of course, more before it was always English music, or Palolem is quite famous for trance music also. So these are the beautiful shacks here. In the daytime, you can see this whole area is full of these coconut trees, which is very beautiful. Okay guys, so if you can hear me panting, it's because I'm quite tired because I was walking up and down the beach. I came all the way from down there, from the other side of the beach. So there are these guys who sell these different kinds of lights. They're quite interesting. The lights, which is the they have these glow in the dark lanterns and stuff. This is a very popular restaurant as of now since I came here. This is very cool. Let me show you something. If you can see this, so there was a foreigner girl and she put a bonfire here actually, and she and her friends were having a bonfire here, and this one is full of people at the moment, and it's very beautiful as they have live music inside, and the vibe is really nice. This restaurant also has a lot of foreigners, so in the morning also there were a lot of foreigners here. So if you don't know, there are lots of foreigners who live here. There's a big expat community here from different parts of the world, from Russia, from UK, so they all stay here. So Palolem is like definitely one of the hot spots for foreigners. Whatever remaining foreigners are here. See, there's a lot of foreigners in this place as well. So there's foreigners from different countries who live here full time. But the music is Hindi, surprisingly, and well, the foreigners seem to be enjoying that as well. So guys, the thing about Palolem is it's quite far from mainstream Goa, but if you really want to enjoy a relaxed time here in Goa, then definitely come to this place. If you've seen my day video of this place, then you'll understand how beautiful this place is. And as you can see here, is they have these beautiful candlelight. Some of these restaurants have bonfires in them in the middle. So see, they have like these cool bonfires. So if you can see here, this restaurant has a bonfire in the middle of the restaurant. So very beautiful, very interesting. So the food here mainly consists of European food, continental food. Of course, every shack has Indian food, and of course, you do get Goan food, but I wouldn't really say it's Goan food because I am a Goan, so I know the real Goan food. So this is not really the Goan food. If you want real Goan food, then go to Kankona, which is like a couple of kilometers from here. But of course, it's a good try sometimes. And this one's really nice because it has all these. So what's the name of the? They don't have the name of the shack, but it's right next to Rocco Pelton. So the shack next to it is Rocco Pelton. So this beach has a shack, like literally there's shacks the whole beach. So, and every shack has candlelight dinner here. So it's very beautiful. And what can I just say? This, like, you're sitting here and you're facing the ocean here. This is the ocean in front. You can't really see, and it's a beautiful. It's a half moon tonight, but it's very beautiful. This is called the Royal Touch. This cafe and restaurant is called the Royal Touch Beach. Oh, they have huts, beach huts as well. So something to know about Palolem Beach, guys, is the huts over here can consist, if you come in off season, they can be as cheap as 400 rupees a day, and in season time the same shacks can go up to maybe 4,000, 5,000 or above. So of course it depends. There are the more upmarket shacks. If you can see, there's a light in the distance. That is the main entrance of the beach, and these are all beach huts. So this is Nest Cottages, which is very beautiful, and there are many more which are further down there. Let's just go further down there. I'm going to cut now, and I'm going to go zoom in to that place. Let's go in there and let me show you from there, guys. Okay, guys, so now we've reached Dylan Multi Cuisine Bar and Restaurant. So this place has apparently has good food because it's actually packed, and they have a nice coconut tree. But this place is like, you can click amazing pictures from these cottages. If you come here in the day, it's like, wow, you have some of the most beautiful pictures you can click here. And as you can see, candlelight dinner, literally every table at this place is full. So yes, what's the name of this place is called Round Cube. So some of them have really nice Hindi music, and I feel like dancing right now because it's nice, it's season time. So of course you can't hear it because I'm using a mic, which I don't know if you can hear it, but it's in the background. So ahead over there are many beautiful restaurants. Some of them have these beautiful paintings in them, and you can get some really good pictures in them. So let's just go ahead and see what it's like. This one is called the Neptune Point. They have beach cottages as well, and they have a beach resort also. And we ahead over here we have Bamboo, which is, look at the lighting, it's so nice. So then you have this one, which is called Cuba. So this one's really fancy. Cuba is really fancy. So they have like this really big cottage kind of Portuguese house kind of place. But all of these have, like, as you can see, candlelight dinner, and on request they can make this really nice, like this. You see these things over here. On request they make like this really heart shaped thing, which is big heart, and then next to the heart they put your table in between the heart, and it's very romantic. If you want to click a picture or you want to get engaged or whatever, then it's really beautiful. So guys, that is it from here. I'm not going to head down further because there's a lot of dogs there. So this is it for me from here at Palolem Beach at night, guys. So very beautiful. As you can see, the lights go on the whole beach, and it's very beautiful, guys. So that is me signing out from here at Palolem Beach at night, guys.